How to predict urban trends with limited data. Have you ever wondered how cities can plan for the future even when they don't have all the data they need? Predicting urban trends with limited data is a fascinating challenge. Let's break down how urban planners tackle this issue using various methods and tools. First, it is essential to understand what urban trends are. These trends include patterns like population growth, migration, land use changes, and shifts in socioeconomic factors. Limited data means that the information available may be incomplete or not detailed enough, which is common in urban planning due to costs or privacy concerns. One effective approach is spatial-temporal modeling. This method looks at how population and activity patterns depend on location and time. By analyzing existing data, models can predict future population density or urban growth in areas where data is lacking. For instance, gravity models can estimate how people move based on population size and distance. Another useful tool is remote sensing and proxy data. Satellite data, such as nighttime lights and vegetation indices, can serve as indicators of urbanization and ecological changes. Analyzing this data over time can reveal trends in urban development, even when demographic data is sparse. Simulation and scenario modeling also play a vital role. Urban growth models, like cellular automata, simulate how urban areas expand based on observed trends. These models can create different scenarios based on various assumptions about policies and social factors, helping to predict potential futures. Machine learning techniques are increasingly important as well. These models can identify patterns in limited and noisy data. By using ensemble methods, which combine multiple models, planners can improve prediction accuracy. For example, blending short-term and long-term trends in traffic or population flow predictions can lead to more reliable forecasts. In the context of the United States, demographic data from sources like the United States Census and the American Community Survey provide essential variables such as age, income, and migration patterns. Even with limited data, these datasets offer a foundational understanding of demographic shifts, such as suburbanization or aging populations. Collaboration is key to overcoming data limitations. Urban planners can work with local governments and community organizations to fill data gaps. Validating models through test sets or small surveys can help assess prediction errors and improve performance. While limited data may restrict precision, it can still guide strategic planning and decision-making. Practical applications of these methods in urban planning include forecasting changes in population density to allocate resources effectively, predicting traffic flows to plan infrastructure needs, and simulating urban expansion under different policy scenarios. Monitoring ecological impacts of urban growth can also be achieved by integrating remote sensing with demographic data. By combining spatial-temporal modeling, proxy data, simulation techniques, machine learning, and available demographic datasets, urban planners can predict trends even when data is limited. These methods provide useful forecasts that support urban planning and policy development, ensuring cities can adapt and thrive in the future.